Hi and welcome to Naples Motorsports. I'm Ron Ward. I've got a 2008 Ferrari F430 Spider here. Lots to talk about here as far as options. Probably the highest optioned car that I've ever seen, at least here through the dealership. Could be mistaken, but it certainly does look that way. Let's start first off. If you look down the side of the car, you got challenge wheels. And in 2008, the cars did come standard with carbon ceramic brakes. Silver calipers, the Scuderia Shields. You can take a look right there on the fender and then make our way down the side. This car's got no flaws, no dents, dings, no nasty scratches. Oh, and did I say just 2,700 miles? That's right, 2,700 miles. Let's take a quick look on the interior. Alcantara carpeting. Carbon fiber lower zone, so you've got carbon fiber kick panels, kick plates. Carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber center console, Daytona seats, contrast stitching. You see the optional fire extinguisher there as well. Behind the seats, got the optional Bose audio system with subwoofer. I think that option was somewhere in the $7,000 to $8,000 range. It wasn't a cheap option to have, not something that you found very often on these cars. Of course, we'll take a look at the engine compartment. First, out here on the top, carbon fiber located right here. Typically, these are painted more of like a silverish color. Open up the back, carbon fiber air boxes. The carbon fiber outsides here on the engine compartment, and then the intake plenum is also carbon fiber. Every once in a while you'll see part of this package done in a car, but not very often with the intake plenum. I think there's about $17,000 or $18,000 worth of options here. This particular customer who had the car did option to put in a aftermarket exhaust, which, by the way, I believe it's a Tubi, and it sounds amazing. On the back side of the car, we also have the carbon fiber rear segment. And again, the overall condition of this car from top to bottom is absolutely spectacular. There's so much to talk about. These cars are amazing performers. They're amazing values now in this market as well. I can't say enough about how much I really enjoy driving these cars. If you're looking for your first Ferrari, a second, or just adding to your collection, this would be a wonderful car as an addition to that collection. The condition of the car is outstanding. That's all Naples Motorsports deals in, of course. With only 2,700 miles and all these extra options, it's going to be very difficult to find another one exactly like this. Call me, Ron Ward, at 239-776-1310. Look forward to talking to you.